With Automated Drive and Design's Product Configurator, mechanical and assembly integrators can now configure and download 3D models of PopLink Mounting Systems products. Let's check it out. From ADandD's homepage, you can navigate to the Product Configurator from the slider, or by going to Products and Downloads, and then Configurator. Choose the PL series for a low-cost, effective solution, and the HD PL series for heavier applications. In this window, you can build and customize your PopLink mounting system from the drop-down options, while the configurator builds your model on the fly. This easy selection process lets you design virtually any mounting system, so you get the best product for your assembly. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of your design part, with all the knuckles, connections, and brackets you selected. When you're happy with your design, click the CAD Download tab. Choose from over 150 formats and versions to download your product as a native CAD model. You can also receive a PDF product datasheet that includes a 3D product viewer, technical data of your design, and a bill of materials. Finally, click Start Download. Now you can integrate that model into your assembly and get back to designing. For more great products, visit ADandD.com and check out PartSolutions.com to learn how your company can ease product selection and customization for your customers.